In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the icon of a desktop shortcut. Sometimes you might find that your desktop icons look a bit out of place, or perhaps a new software has given a generic icon that doesn't quite fit the profile. Either way, adjusting it to something more suitable can make your workspace more personalized and organized. Let's jump in and go through this process step by step. First, we need to dive into the shortcut properties. So move your cursor over to the desktop shortcut you wish to change. For our example, let's consider a common application like Adobe Acrobat. Now do a right click on that shortcut icon. This will bring up a menu with several options. You want to look for an option called Properties. However, if you don't spot Properties immediately, there might be a need to click on Show More Options first. This will expand the menu where the Properties option will surely appear. Go ahead and click on Properties to open the next window. With the Properties window now open, you'll want to navigate to the Shortcut tab. This is where the settings specific to the shortcut are housed and where we can make our desired changes. Next, find and click on the button labeled Change Icon. This is your gateway to a new visual look for your program's shortcut. Upon clicking Change Icon, a window will open up and display a list of available icons that you can choose from. Sometimes the icon you're looking for may not appear in this initial list. If that's the case, don't worry, there's a way to find it. There is a Browse button within this window you can click. Using Browse allows you to locate the icon manually. Here, you can navigate to the program's original .exe file, or locate a specific .ico file you might have saved on your computer that you'd like to use. This part of the process gives you the flexibility to choose any icon that suits your style or functional needs. Once you've successfully found and selected an icon you like, simply select it in the icon window. After making your selection, you should see an OK button that you'll need to click. Doing so confirms your choice and returns you to the Properties window. Here, you'll find an Apply button. It's crucial to click this Apply button to ensure that the changes you made are saved and activated. To finish up, just hit OK once more to close out the Properties window entirely. And there you have it. Your desktop shortcut should now proudly display the new icon you selected. This can breathe a little life back into your desktop and help keep everything visually organized. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you now feel confident personalizing your desktop icons. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore further customization options to make your computer more uniquely yours.